Hello America, Roland with Palm Harbor Homes in Tomball. I just want to let y'all know on a great deal. We've got a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 16 by 76 single wide already set up in the community. As you can see, they've already started doing most of the setup. We've got the decks in. They'll be doing the skirting here shortly. Like I said, this home is move-in ready. You can be in this home in as little as tomorrow if you're paying cash. If you need to finance, we can set that up for you as well. Follow me inside. Let's look at some of the key features. That's a nice deck. So as you can see, some of the nice features in this home is it has a ceiling fan already built in. You've got vents in the ceiling as well. You've also got some built-ins for your TV entertainment area and other storage such as like a coffee bar. Spacious kitchen and dining room area to still allow plenty of living room space. Like I said, this home is move-in ready, already set up in the community, so you have to put in little to no effort. Give me a call at 281-516-7083 or visit us at our Palm Harbor of Tomball location.